Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be on some goodies I got from Vanity Planet. So I got two goodies from them. One I'm extremely excited about, and the other one I just saw it, I was like, sure, let me just try that right there. So this one I'm not quite sure about, but this is what I envision using it for, and this is the Vanity Planet Revive Professional Ice Roller. Hashtag VP Beauty, vanityplanet.com, and it says the Revive Ice Roller is an innovative way to refresh, tone, and tighten your skin with one simple tool. Cold therapy has been utilized. See, I figured out some cold therapy thing. Has been utilized by spas, estheticians, and celebrity makeup artists for years to create instantly brighter complexions and reduce the discomfort caused by fatigue, treated and irritated skin. Revive harnesses the power of cold and conveniently works it to your daily beauty routine. Now, as I was reading this, I was thinking I can get another one of these for my kids. And like when I have because most of my brides most of my clientele, they're brides. So, and we'll go to the hotel, so I can just pop this in the freezer, and I get there pretty early. Pop this in the freezer, and when I'm ready, I just give them a little mini facial. So that'll be cool. This thing is weighty, and this is, I've never seen anything like this before. Okay, so I started in a girl's get ready with me routine. I don't remember her name, I just came upon her video and I was like, that's stupid, why would she do that? There's grandma. But okay, so it rolls pretty nicely. This thing is huge. So you just put this in the freezer, and when you wake up in the mornings, you can rub it on. You know how you get the cold spoon method to depuff your eyes? This is what that can do for you. So just pop it in the freezer, and then you just put it on your eyes, or you roll it all over your face to refresh your face. This is cool, and it's like cold therapy. This is nice. When I initially saw this, because you guys know I do Banish, I haven't done Banish in months. Needle micro needling, I haven't done micro needling in months. So finally I have this, because I was waiting on this, and I want to do my micro needling using this ice roller from Vanity Planet. So finally I have this, and that's just by reading the back, so you guys can have an idea of what you can use it for. And in the this thing has some weight to it though, Babo. And in the packaging, it just comes with let's be friends with benefits and like a little booklet. Right, so you're pretty good on information. So if you're just getting it and I don't know what to use it for, I believe what they said on the back of it really explains what you can use it for, and that's what I'm going to use it for. So you know that I have my micro needling how-to video coming up. Know that I have that bad boy, and also my before and after, my results on the micro needling, even though I haven't done it for months. So the next thing is the ultimate skin spa cleansing, exfoliating, and massaging face brush system. Alright, you want me to read the back? I feel like I don't have to read the back. I feel like I had to read the back for that one because I wasn't sure what it. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. This, oh, it has papers in there as well. Yeah, you can see that. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I thought that, see grandma there again. I thought that this top half was the brush, but this is so cute. Look at how it comes packaged. Let me just see if I can open it because I have nails on. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh no, I am doing it. There we go. So this comes over here. Wow. Oh my gosh. This one is, it was rubbers. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is what it looks like, and it is called their cleansing, exfoliating, and massaging face brush system. Let me read the back of it. The ultimate skin spa is an invigorating facial brush system that includes 3 specialized attachments designed for daily cleansing, deep exfoliation, and sensitive washing. With a micro massage movement, this user-friendly device energizes all skin types and is an essential addition to your beauty routine. Nice. Ooh. Clarifies with a 360-degree rotation action, removes dirt, oil, makeup, dead skin, and more. Includes 3 brush heads, daily cleansing, exfoliating, and silicone brush. Wow. And these are the brushes. This is the silicone one over here that I showed you guys. Then this is the one that was over that side. And this one feels really soft. You see that black ring thing in there? Yeah, that feels pretty soft. And this is the brush itself. Oh, and this one is soft as... This is soft. This is extremely... You guys know I have the Mary Kay one. It's not as soft at all. Oh, and it's battery operated. So it's battery operated right here. And you twist this, it would seem... and my talons. It won't make me be great. Never. So you flip this thingy and then you put your batteries in, and I can't wait to get me some batteries, babo. And then just one switch and it turns on. This is softer than the Mary Kay one that I have. They both are soft, and I love how this is packaged. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, can you say perfect for travel, babo? This is perfect for travel. I love this. I love this. And I like how Vanity Planet, I've never seen a review on them before because I've never been introduced to them like that before, but it's just this girl one routine that I saw. And I like how everything is branded. The VP logo here, the Vanity Planet. I love that. I love it. I love it. Also on their website, you have this scale that I want to get. It weighs your innards. It's so good. And they have a lot of things on the website. I'll have discount codes for you guys in the description bar below. I feel like I just browsed over the fact that they have a lot of things on the website because I don't know everything that they have, but I just know that they have a lot because I was perusing. They have for health, beauty, lifestyle. I can't wait to try this and let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got. This video has gone long enough. There is a makeup tutorial on this look. Don't worry, babo. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.